Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study the mean and its application. So in our primary school itself we are deal with across mean. There we have crossed a simple definition. So mean is adding the values and dividing by the total number of values. This is the simple definition of mean. So there will be some population or some set of numbers will be given. We have to add and divide the total number of numbers. That will give you the mean. So this is the general definition of a mean. Let us consider one example. When I given rolling a die, what are the outcomes to become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6? Add the numbers and divided by total number. If we have a set of data, say a survey or something, the bigger the standard deviation, the bigger the spread of the numbers. The smaller standard deviation implies numbers are closer together. There are number of ways for calculating standard deviation. We will use the following formula. So as I told, rolling a die, when we roll a die, the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if there will be a no condition, just we have to divide the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 so go on up to 6 divided by total number of possible outcomes. So that gives you the mean. So there will be the mean, standard deviation and variance which are related to each other. So some of the application of a mean are rolling a die. Find the mean or the number of spots that appear when a die is tossed. When a die is tossed, there will be 6 outcomes, up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The variance to calculate the sigmas is equal to summation of x square into p of x minus mu square. So sigma is equal to square root of sigma x square into p of x minus mu square. For variance and standard deviation of a probability distribution. Selecting the numbered balls. This is also one of the application. A box contains 5 balls. 2 are numbered 3, 1 and is 4. The 2 numbered 5, the balls are mixed and one it is selected at random. After a ball is selected, its number is recorded. Then it is replaced if the experiment is repeated many times. Find the variance and standard deviation of the number on the balls. So 3 balls are mixed together randomly. If we take any one of the ball, what are the possible of chances to come red ball numbered 3, 5? So in these applications we will use the mean, standard deviation and variance. Rounding rule is one of the application rule for mean, variance and standard deviation for a probability distribution is that these should end rounded to one more decimal places that the outcome is x. So this is one of the application which we have not included in textbook. This is also the application applied to the mean, standard deviation and variation of the probability distribution is that this should be rounded to one or more decimal places that outcomes x. So the outcome is unknown to us, so it should be rounded to any one of the rounded places to the decimal. So let us consider another example of on hold for talk radio. A talk radio station has 4 telephone lines. If the host is unable to talk during the commercial or it is talking to a person, the other callers are placed on hold, which all lines are in use. Others who are trying to call in get a busy signal. The probability that 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 people will get through is shown. The distribution. Find the variance and standard deviation for the distribution. So this is in the radio talk. While we are talking, when we call to someone, we will get the line is busy. So probability of the line, they are given x 0, 1, 2, 3. By the formula of probability distribution, we can find out.